So, hello there. No, we are not trying to hack Google. So, in this video concept, we know about basic advanced Google search. So, what is Google designed to do? What does Google do? Google queries, the limits. That two words. Google Advanced Search is a more detailed method of finding information on Google. It uses a variety of Google search operations that consists of spatial characters, and spatial commands, also known as advanced operators that goes beyond normal Google search. Google Advanced Search lets you cut through internet clutter, and there's no shortage of clutter on the internet to zero in on exactly the search result you are looking for. So let's check. If we search Google Advanced Search, there's some option. Google Advanced Search. How can you use this feature? Now come to setting. Here is Advanced Search option. You can search here. Just have a look. Advanced search option. This exact word phrase, any of these words, narrow result, languages, regional last update, site domain, file type, safe search, terms and appearing, all the options you find. Let's write word web. So you can find any result world web. You can find each and every result. So basic operators. So single word versus combining words using the colon, boolean operators, spatial characters, Batman, Dark Knight. It's just example. Dark Knight, semicolon, Batman and Dark Knight. Under the surface, the Dark Knight and spatial character carry a hyphen. For anyone that's been doing SEO for a while, Google Advanced Search Operators, special commands that make regular searches. Google search operators are like secret cheat codes that help you to get more relevant search results. You still type your search into the Google search bar, but with search operators, you add a bit of text that turns into shorthand for special instructions about the search. This, for example, when gauging the amount of content dedicated to a specific topic, you can filter out 90% of less focused content. Here's an advanced search operator that tells Google that you are looking for content on SEO. What is SEO? Search engine optimization. Now have a look about advanced operators. Cache, display Google's cached version. Link, show a list of web pages that have links to your target. Related, similar web pages, related similar web pages. Information, view information Google has on the target site limits results to just the domain listed. With just one advanced operator, advanced search, you go from 730 million results. It's unbelievable. 700. Have a look. This I just search a critical thing in Google, advanced search. You search MSN, Windows, Live Search, Bing Search, and MSN. Find pages that contain certain keywords. Find course and force accurate results for long tail keywords. Just anything type hacking word. By the help of advanced operators, you find accurate result if you want. Find out the Google is categorized your site quickly, gauge the competitives of long tail keywords, find sites that have a specific keyword in the URL, advanced options, all in title, limits results to these websites with all the search words in the title, then link in title, links result to documents that contain the search word in the title, all in URL, limits results to find all search words in the URL. So that's it for today. Hello there. Today I'll talk about in URL search and welcome to Advanced Google 2 Part 2. In URL finds pages with a certain word in the URL. All in URL similar to in URL. This finds web pages containing all of the URL specific words. In text find pages containing a specific word in the content. Now have a look. Let's search in URL. Now I wanna go in URL slash admin. Many pages there. Click on admin login. Have a look. Now, in URL admin login page, have a look. You can find this. If I submit, it's blank. Now, some devices and appliances default setting accessible via browser, application defaults, internet, printing, internet, cameras, server defaults, directories, entitled index of admin directories, find specific files like logs, password files by file extension, web servers, directory traversal, extension working. The inurl search query is one of Google's search operators intended to allow users to find down the results. It can be used quite simply by entering. The inurl search operator lets you search for the word directly after the clone in any URL on the internet. If you include inurl in your query, Google will restrict the results to documents containing that word in the URL. For instance, want to see only pages that have your keyword in their title, use the intitle search operator just before the keyword. You can use symbols or words in your search to make your search results more precious. Google search usually ignores it. The URL operator searches for specific text in the indexed URLs. You can pair a site with inurl, and you can find database by a website exploit database. So if I search Google Hacking Database, is an index of search queries exploit database. It actually exploit database. Has the Dropbox, web server detection, files containing usernames, files containing password, files containing juice information, error messages, vulnerable servers, network or vulnerability data, various online devices, all the thing you find here. The website is exploit.db.com. Entitled Index of Dropbox. Google hacking, also named Google Dorking, is a hacker technique that uses Google search and other Google applications to find security holes. It's actually a categorized index of internet search engine queries designed to uncover interesting things. Now, if I search this, here you can download the exploit database archive mode. Is there some remote option, web application option, local and privilege? Here's the remote code. Many more remote code is here. Here's the code and File Security Manager client session in web application exploits. Here is the code and path. Here's some article for privilege. You can check everything, you can find everything here about database hacking. Now go to another website. Okay, now Google utility belt loaded. Go link scanner, Google hack, honeypot, search, dig, go scan, meta go fill, site digger. View of the utility belt with first trans in a circular condition. The attachable push is shown in Phantom comparison. Google Arts and Culture features content from over 2000 leading archives who have partnered with Google Cultural Institute.